Hey guys, welcome back to another TOS video with Divine Prophecy. I'm the guild leader, and today, as promised, I promised the vice guild leader that I'll help him play the Battle Hymn of Eternity. So this is a very last minute thing because yesterday Chinese TOS crashed. So here goes, looking at his team. Wait, let me get the sound on first. Okay, so looking at his team, I will be bringing in the Duo Apollo team because he's actually I wanted to bring in Poseidon team, but the problem is his sniper is not trained, so I'll go in with this team. Is it recording? Yeah, okay. So for stage 1 to 3, as usual from the previous videos, you guys know that we have to save city here. So it's very late into the night already, I can't really spin well. We'll just do an average of 4 combo. Whoa. See, it's not hitting you quite pain, so all you have to do is slowly take them down. Okay, heal a bit of HP, don't sky drop. No, okay, it's okay. Moving on. You can see this Kanjuro here pops up pretty fast because it's on all max, level max and CD max. This friend of mine, the vice guild leader, when he first got this card, right, he was damn happy, so he went to feed all his happy, all his soul stone on this card, and in less than a few minutes, it's like 15 minutes I guess, then this card was really all max ready. Okay, so we take down Verdandi and Scud first. Okay. So the neighbors are really sleeping, so I can't really talk that loudly. So it's been a tiring day today after my taekwondo practice. So now I'm feeling a bit shaky, can't really spin well like the previous recordings. So finally I have all maxed my Santa Claus, and I think it's going to quite fit into my Stolas Daji team. I'll be maybe using that team more often these days. Okay, 2 more turns and 6 more turns for Zeus. Okay, 5 more turns now. Well, that sky drop is real. Okay, so we need hard runes here, so we got no choice but to spin our best and see. Okay, we got 3 hard runes, 5 hard runes now, 6. Okay, and hopefully we get Thor because it's like enchanted shield. So yeah, we got this. So you attack us every turn if I'm not wrong. Okay, don't, my hard runes. 400k defense, we got no choice but to spin it off. Hopefully my hard runes will be back. Okay, pretty decent amount of hard runes on board. So now we still got 3 hard runes, we are pretty safe now, and we can move on. With this, we will be dead. Okay, so now the plan here is we on Baihu for the 90% damage reduction. That 600k defense becomes 60k defense. So now we aim for the 2 side minions first. Then here we can turn on our Kanjuro all max on, as well as Apollo without the main skill. Okay. Hopefully this works. Yeah, the sky drop is real. Okay, so now that the side ones are get rid of, we can actually just use our link skill here and bring it down, all the way down. Okay, not a very decent spin, I know, but with this OP deck, it's definitely going to clear better heal of utility. Okay, oh. So since the Africa kids cannot afford a mobile phone to play TOS, right, we shouldn't waste our CD here, we need to use it. Okay, then followed by a snipe here and say goodbye to Galonis the Honor, I think. It's changed name already. Okay, so thanks for watching this video. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Cheers. Oh, laggy there. Okay, goodbye.